Listen closely. Winter is not just a season. It is a multi-thousand-dollar heist against your bank account. Right now, as the temperature drops, road salt is microscopically dissolving your car's frame. Your engine oil is turning into a thick metal shaving sludge. Most drivers pay a winter ignorance tax, thousands in repairs that could have been avoided for the price of a cup of coffee. Today, I'm giving you the Winter Armor Blueprint. We are going deep into 13 professional hacks that will make your car bulletproof. I'm not just giving you a list. I'm giving you the step-by-step instructions on how to execute these like a pro. From the invisible shield to the forbidden oil secret at the end, if you want your car to survive the next decade, do not skip a single word. We start with hack number 13, your first line of defense. Think of road salt like acid. When it sits on your paint, it creates tiny, microscopic pits. Once moisture hits those pits, rust begins to grow from the inside out. Most people use wax, but wax is weak. It melts away the moment the temperature fluctuates. What you need is a ceramic spray sealant. This isn't just for show cars. A ceramic spray creates a chemical bond with your clear coat, making your car hydrophobic. That's a fancy way of saying salt, mud, and slush physically cannot stick to it. You apply this once in late autumn, and for the rest of the winter, the salt just slides off with a simple rinse. You aren't just making the car look shiny. You are putting a layer of glass between your investment and the corrosive chemicals on the road. It turns a grueling hour of cleaning into a 5-minute rinse. Hack 12. The silicone barrier. Hack 12 solves a problem we've all faced: the frozen door. You're late for work, you pull the handle, and nothing. It's frozen solid. If you pull hard enough, you'll hear a tearing sound. That's your rubber weather stripping ripping off the frame. Replacing that seal can cost you upwards of $300 per door. The fix? Silicone spray. Take a cloth, spray it with a high-quality silicone lubricant, and wipe down every rubber seal around your doors and trunk. This creates a waterproof barrier so ice can't form a bond between the door and the frame. Your doors will pop open effortlessly at 20 below zero. It takes 2 minutes and costs about 50 cents. Hack 11. The underbody purge. Trick 11 is about the part of the car you never see. Most people go to an automatic car wash and pay extra for the undercarriage spray. Here's a secret. Many of those car washes recycle their water. That means they are often spraying filtered, salty water back into the crevices of your car. You need to take control. Use a pressure washer or a high-pressure hose at a self-service bay to blast the salt pockets. Look specifically at your brake lines and the cups of your control arms. Salt loves to settle there, stay damp, and rot your frame from the bottom up. If you don't purge this salt every 2 weeks, you're basically letting your car sit in a salt bath for 4 months. Hack 10. The condensation crisis. Number 10 is a habit change that costs $0. Never, under any circumstances, let your gas tank drop below half in the winter. Why? Physics. When your tank is near empty, the dead air inside the tank contains moisture. When the temperature drops at night, that moisture turns into water droplets, condensation. That water sinks to the bottom of your gas tank, gets sucked into your fuel lines, and freezes solid. Now your car is a multi-ton paperweight until it's towed to a heated garage. By keeping your tank at least half full, you displace that air, meaning no water, no ice, and no Monday morning towing bills. Hack 9. The $10 chemistry lab. Stop scraping your windshield. Seriously. Every time you use a plastic scraper, you are dragging grit across the glass, leaving micro scratches. Over time, these scratches catch the glare of oncoming headlights, making it nearly impossible to see during a snowstorm. Trick 9. The magic de-icer. Mix 2 parts isopropyl alcohol with 1 part water and a drop of dish soap in a spray bottle. Keep this bottle inside your house. When you see a sheet of ice on your windshield, just spray it. The alcohol has a much lower freezing point than water. It will melt that ice into slush in seconds. You just use your wipers to sweep it away. No effort, no scratches, no frozen fingers. Hack 8. The pool noodle move. Hack 8 is a classic MacGyver move. You've seen people leave their wipers sticking up in the air before a storm. Don't do that. It puts unnecessary tension on the wiper arm springs, and if a heavy gust of wind snaps them back down, they can actually crack your windshield. Instead, buy a $2 foam pool noodle or some pipe insulation. Cut it to length, slit it down the middle, and slide it over your wiper blades at night. This prevents the rubber from bonding to the glass. In the morning, you just slide the noodles off, and your wipers are soft, flexible, and ready to work. No more torn rubber blades. Hack 7-3. The Rapid Fire Survival List. We're getting close to the big one, but first, let's hit these rapid fire. Hack 7. Use a fabric protectant on your carpets. Salt stains are permanent. They eat the fibers of your floor mats. Spray them now to keep your interior mint. Hack 6. The battery cleanse. A battery loses 60% of its strength when the temperature hits freezing. Use a mixture of baking soda and water to clean any white crust off your terminals. That crust is parasitic drain. It's stealing the power you need to start the car. Hack 5. Wax your headlights. A thin coat of car wax prevents snow and slush from building up on the lenses while you drive, keeping your visibility at 100%. Hack 4. The kitty litter trick. Keep a bag of non-clumping kitty litter in your trunk. If you get stuck on a patch of ice, pour it under your tires. It's instant traction when you're in a pinch. Hack 3. Fog-free windows. Clean the inside of your windows with a tiny bit of shaving cream, then buff it off. The surfactants in the cream prevent fog from forming when you're breathing in the cold cabin. Hack 2. The block heater advantage. Trick number 2 is for those of you in the deep freeze zones. If you live where it stays below 0 for weeks, your engine is suffering every time you start it. Cold starts are responsible for nearly all engine wear. Buy a magnetic oil pan heater. It's a small device that sticks to the bottom of your engine and plugs into a wall outlet. It keeps your oil at a lukewarm temperature so that when you turn the key, the oil flows instantly to the top of the engine. It's like giving your car a warm cup of coffee before it has to go to work. Hack 1. The forbidden oil secret. And finally, the secret most mechanics won't tell you because they make more money when your engine fails. Winter viscosity. Most drivers use the same oil year-round, but 10W30 oil is designed for heat. In the winter, it becomes thick, almost like molasses. When you start your car, the metal parts are rubbing together dry for up to 30 seconds before that thick oil can move. If your owner's manual allows it, switch to a 0W20 or 5W30 synthetic for the winter. The 0W stands for winter. It is specifically engineered to flow the split second you turn the key. This one simple change can add years to your engine's life. Winter doesn't play fair, but now you have the tools to win. If this helped you, make sure to follow for more. And if you're worried about your heater not being hot enough, stay tuned for the next one where I show you the 60-second fix for a freezing cabin. Stay warm out there.